When you're growing vegetables, is it better to buy seeds or to buy plants? Let's talk to two experts and find out. Hey, what's up? I'm the seed guy and I grow everything from seed because why would I spend $3 buying one plant when I could buy a packet of seeds that has 30 seeds in it for the same price? You know, those seed growing people, they always talk about how much money they save. What they don't mention is they have to purchase all this special equipment like grow lights and shelves and domes and heating mats. I just buy a transplant, pop it out of its pot, and straight into the garden it goes. No special equipment needed. Yeah, well, all this equipment, it's reusable. You know, I can use it from year to year. Buy once, cry once, am I right? I love buying transplants like this because it makes my life easier. They're so much more reliable and they're able to withstand the different weather challenges like drying out or wind or cold because they're larger plants and they have an established root system already. I like growing from seed because I can find so many unique varieties that you just can't find growing at your local garden center. I mean, just look at this one. People that grow from seeds, they love bragging about how they get all these unique varieties when in reality, they're getting like 20 or 30 of the same plants because they have that many seeds in a seed packet. I go to the garden center, I grab one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, and I'm not locked into growing a whole bunch of the same type of plant. Another reason I love growing from seeds is because I control all the inputs that go into those plants. When I buy from my garden center, I don't know if something's been sprayed onto those plants, and I gotta eat those plants. I love buying these plants that already have a little bit of growth on them because I value my time. By buying this, I've got a 5 or 6 week head start on somebody that has started a plant from a seed. I choose seeds because there is nothing more satisfying than watching those babies break through the ground for the very first time. And lastly, I love buying plants because now I'm not so stuck to having to look at the calendar date. If I happen to miss the deadline for planting my plants, I know the garden center's got my back and I can go get some transplants to put out at the appropriate time to go into the garden. All right, well, those two guys seemed really smart. I don't know which one to trust actually, so let me know what you think down in the comments.